Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing some pumpkin carving since it is October. Anyway, let me get today started. So, we have a shoot today, and if you guys didn't know before, we've been doing rollers incorrectly. If you know, you understand. Anyway, so we can't be doing the rollers that we've been doing, because one, that's incorrect, and that's dangerous by just hanging out of the car. So, I wanted to take it upon myself to figure out a way to make a camera rig. And I'm broke. So what we did was, yes, I know for all you other cinema guys, I need a cloud mount and I need all that stuff to absorb the shock from the road. But this is better than hanging out of a car. As long as the team's safe, that's what matters most. So what we did was, we drilled holes and we gave ear piercings to this car. So this is just, you know, your basic, that's just a normal U-bolt right there. And then we have one on each side where the two handles for my Ronin SC will go into. And then we can mount the Ronin SC to those handles. And we're Gucci. Yeah. So if you guys can't see, I'm squinting because the sun is blinding my face. But what I'm trying to do is I have to screw in the bolts for the U-bolt. And then this hole is our access point so that we can ratchet this. And honestly, I love this ratchet wrench. It's just best tool ever. Just gotta. Yeah, I'm gonna be at this for like maybe 10 more minutes.
It's just the finger.
It's just the fingering that I suck at. Everything, like getting it in the hole, easy. Fingering,
If I were to pull this more, the bumper would come off. Nothing.
Yeah, well, don't ruin my bumper, bro. The paint, bro. Watch the paint, bro. Bro, those holes are designed. Anyway, let's get part 2 of this master plan on. Okay, so gimbal is on. As you can see, it looks pretty sick. We angled this upwards that way, if and when we can also do vertical rollers. But it's gonna sit. The batteries aren't in, so it's not balanced, but it's gonna sit like this on the back of the car. Okay guys, we are done with setup. Check this out. So, we have the gimbal. Yes, it's not perfectly balanced. I'm ghetto like that. But, okay, we see the gimbal. It has a cable attached to it, and it's mounted to the car. Looks something like this. Yes, I know, I'm gonna get a cloud mount when I'm rich. But, we have some bungee cables to keep the trunk open but still closed, and then that HDMI cable leads to this monitor here. You've seen this before back when I used to games, and then that leads to another power cable that is powered by my cigarette lighter with an inverter, which is super sick. So we have 2 PS4 controllers. Why? Because the Ronin SC on the Ronin app comes with an amazing feature that allows you to control the gimbal using your controller. So that's how we'll be filming. So we can see what the gimbal sees and we can control it using a video game controller. So it's a literal video game. So yeah, it's like we're gonna go test, make sure everything's sound. Okay guys, this is test number 2. We got the gimbal mounted vertically. That way we have more range of motion because that adapter that we had, it doesn't work. So, as you see, Diego is controlling it. Now we could even go all the way over here if we felt like it. So, you know, we can change the speed of this. I kind of want to keep it slow because we're doing cars, but we might pick it up later once we get more practice with it. So we're going to go through another test, just drive and see how this goes. We move the trunk, so hopefully it's not doesn't vibrate that much. So yeah, let's get going. Okay guys, I know you can't see my face, but we're going to test out rollers on Wilson's car. You can leave them down here. That's Insta. Cool. Bye. Fast butter, bro. Holy crap. We're meeting at the meeting spot. You guys already know we always meet at where I work. Today we are shooting JustMellowJ on Instagram. You can see it right there. Oh, right here. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, he has the rims that I want. He has the Kansei K&Ps, and I'm going to be picking that up for my FRS soon. So, yeah. Let's just fast forward to when we see him. Damn! Hello. What's up, man?
Jordan.
Kim. What's your name?
Jordan.
Jordan? What's up?
I'm sorry, this isn't low car friendly.
Okay guys, we made it to the first spot. Look at this. We're at Logan High School. You guys know what it is. It still looks good. So we're gonna try to get audio for the first time ever. So we're gonna zip tie a mic to the rear wing and hope that it picks up the exhaust channel, which it should. Shoot's over, guys. Yeah, we're Gucci. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Yeah, so shoot's over. Glad to have this. Hopefully you guys didn't see any of the imperfection on this car. There's absolutely none. Absolutely none. Yeah.
Just in the back.
Yeah, it's just none. Okay, yeah, good stuff, okay? Peace out.